Is IdleEmpire really a great way to earn free skins, games, gift cards and cryptocurrencies as it claims here, or is it a complete waste of time? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and in this IdleEmpire review I will give you an inside look and a full guided tour so you can see exactly how it works and if it will be worth your time or not. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of it, get paid to sites and paid service sites. I'm now logged into IdleEmpire, and what I like about it is it's fairly straightforward to find your way around. It is easy to get an overview. You click over here to see the earning methods, and then you can easily see what kind of ways you can earn. So let me go over each of these methods and explain how good the options are and how they work so you can see if it'll be worth it for you or not. So let's start by going over the paid surveys. Paid service is offered on more or less all get paid to sites, and I personally think it is a great way to earn a bit extra and have your opinion heard at the same time. And I must say IdleEmpire does have quite a lot of service available. It offers it through these third-party providers, so that means when you click it will open in a new screen, and once you complete it you will get your earnings in here. The advantage of this is that there are plenty of service you can get access to. The disadvantage is that it can sometimes take quite some patience to find the service you qualify for. Furthermore, you need to look at the value you get for your time. For example, for your service, here you will get 6,250 coins, and I will get later to what they are worth, but approximately it will be around 62 cents. It is not a very high reward for your service. These are offered on many other get paid to sites as well, and on a site like, for example, Price Rebel, you will get 80 cents usually or more for your service for the exact same service. And the same with others here. The rewards for the service are a little bit lower than what you can find on many other paid service sites or get paid to sites. So therefore, the paid service are not the best way to earn on IdleEmpire in my opinion, but I will also go over some of the other earning methods to see if they are then better. Offer walls, if you use get paid to sites before, are a place where you can find all these different advertisers that have different things you can do. For example, signing up for free trials, taking surveys, and downloading apps, playing games, all kind of things. Usually you can find a lot of different options here, and that is of course great. The thing is that you just need to read carefully what each of the offers say, because some of them will be worth it, some of them will be quite demanding and will definitely not be worth it. The rewards here on IdleEmpire is again a little bit lower than what I've seen on some other get paid to sites, but you definitely can find some decent offers here and also earn quite a bit extra. And as you can see, it has plenty of offer walls available, so there definitely or more or less always will be a way here for you to earn. You just need to read the conditions carefully and choose the offers wisely. Videos is also a very common way on get paid to sites to earn, and you will usually click here, choose a category, a new screen will pop up and you will have to watch the videos. You can see you will have to watch 3 advertisements, usually the full videos. They are around a minute or so, or maybe a minute and a half, and then there are ads in between, and you need to watch these 3 of these ads, and then you will get 80 of these idle coins. 80 idle coins is definitely not a lot, as I will get into later, but that is not just for IdleEmpire, because on most get paid to sites the videos do not give huge rewards, but they can be quite entertaining, and the great thing is that they are usually unlimited, so you can watch as many as you would like. I do also have a video here with the best sites that do offers videos as a way to earn, so you can check that out if you're interested in more knowledge about this and finding the best sites for you. But definitely can be fun, not the most effective way to earn, but you can always find a way to earn here. Then we get to the mining, which is something you do not find on a lot of get paid to sites, so this is quite unique for IdleEmpire. It explains a lot more about it here, but in short it is where you let your computer perform mathematical calculations in order to find the right piece of a puzzle, as it says here. And then the reward you will receive will depend on how fast your computer is and how it in general performs. It will explain here what you need to download, because you need to download the software to be able to do this and how to configure it. If you want to know more about how much you can earn from doing this, you can look at the 100 active miners here, or you can also click this one to calculate the earnings. Here you can see what the current hash rate is, and then you will get to see how much you could potentially earn per minute, per hour, per day, per week, or per month. And here per day, for example, it would be 739 coins that you would earn if that was your average speed and things like this. And per week it would be just above 5,000. That is equivalent of around 50 cents you could earn in a week by doing this. So it is clearly not a way to earn a lot, but it is kind of a passive way to earn because you can just let it run, but you need to be aware that it will use a lot of your computer's power, and it will also affect the performance of your computer, so it can be difficult to do other things. So even though it's an easy way to earn, it's definitely not a fast way to earn, so you need to do it with the right expectations if you decide to earn like this. So those are the main ways to earn on IdleEmpire, but you of course also need to know how you can get your earnings out and also even who can join. Let's first go over who can join, because that is quite easy. You can join IdleEmpire from more or less all countries, which of course is great. And the reward methods are also great in my opinion. You can see you can get Bitcoin, PayPal, you can get all kind of gift cards or skins or all kind of other things here. It has a big selection of gift cards for sure. And this is just the first page. You can see there are 3 pages in total. And the payout threshold, how much you need to earn to be able to get your earnings out, that will depend on your chosen reward. For PayPal it is 30,000 coins, and if you choose that, you can see how much that will be worth. And 30,000 coins is worth $3. This conversion ratio is a little bit confusing in my opinion, as when you for example see a survey that says you will get 6,000 or 7,000 points, it sounds like a lot, but in reality it will only be 60 or 70 cents. So you need to know how much it is worth and calculate it like this. But overall you can see 10,000 coins inside IdleEmpire is worth around $1. That also means that for some rewards it has an extremely low payout threshold. For example, for Bitcoin you can get your earnings out already when you've earned 1,000 coins, which is only 10 cents. So in that sense it has a very low payout threshold, which is definitely great, and depending on the reward you choose, you can very quickly choose to get your earnings out. Overall, I think IdleEmpire has some great advantages and definitely also some disadvantages. I like it is easy to use and it is easy to find your way around, and I do like the low payout threshold and the many different payout methods it offers, so you can always find a relevant method for you to get your earnings out. However, there are some things that I do not quite like, and that is especially the paid service. They do not pay quite as well here as they do on many other get paid to sites. Some of the paid offers definitely have decent rewards, but overall I think they are better to take on many other get paid to sites. It does have some special ways to earn that you cannot really find on other sites that are quite easy, and it is available in more or less all countries, so it can be a site worth checking out. But it really does depend on where you live, because in many countries there will be get paid to sites with better opportunities and higher rewards in my opinion. If you want to know more details about IdleEmpire, I have a full review on my website paidfromservice.com, and here you can also find a list of get paid to sites that in my experience gives a little bit higher rewards, so you can check that out. And also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites and paid service sites.